Hey beauties, and welcome to another Clean With Me video, and this one's gonna be a little bit of a different pace. I wanted to make a quicker video, but still with a ton of real life messes, just to prove that we can get to some of those real life messes a little bit quicker than sometimes we think we can. And if you're new here and this is the first time you're clicking on one of my videos, first of all, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. My name is Bella and I am the mom of a toddler, a little 15-month-old, and I make motherhood, cleaning, decorating, especially this time of year, all things motherhood, sometimes lifestyle, we do sometimes some routine videos, and I just love everything homemaking. And if you do too, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you can join our amazing community. I'm starting things off in the kitchen because, as my OGs will tell you, I think that it's the heart of the home, and I feel like everything is just way cleaner when the kitchen is clean. Let me know if you're the same way in the comments below.
Get over the hillside, so right. We stood there all wide-eyed, you and I, floating on air in my mind.
Are you the type of person that likes to get the dishes done immediately after each meal, or are you a totally save it till the end of the day type of person? Let me know, because I am usually pretty good about getting the dishes after every single meal, but sometimes I do let them sit till the end of the day, and that was today. I definitely let them sit. And I think sometimes as moms we can put a lot of pressure on ourselves to keep our houses perfect, but if you need the permission to just let them go, here's your permission. The dishes don't have to be done for you to be an amazing mom. And I feel like that can extend to other parts of the house too. Sometimes I feel like if the nursery is a mess or the family room's a mess, that I'm just somehow failing, and in the moment it seems like such a big deal, but then I look back later and it's not a big deal at all. So, and if you have been hanging out here for a while, you know that I am working on my perfectionist tendencies. My OGs again will tell you that I've struggled with that in the past. And speaking from my experience as a stay-at-home mom, sometimes our work can go unnoticed. So if nobody has thanked you recently, thank you so much from me, because homemakers are so important in making healthy and happy homes. And the toaster I'm putting away right now had been left on the counter since breakfast. If you can probably tell by the way that I've been talking, but today was a busy rush around day, so some things went a little bit neglected, but I really like to take care of most of my stuff at night because then the house stays nice and clean, and then I can wake up to a cleaner house in the morning. My stovetop was a little bit dirty after cooking dinner, so I wanted to just go ahead and wipe it down really quick. The color of the stovetop now makes everything stand out, but I think it's worth it. It looks really sleek, and I really do love the new kitchen here. If you don't know, we did recently move, but I did just want to clean it up really quick.
A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer?
So what you're seeing right here is wax from the candle, because Kennedy likes to, when I'm not looking, pick apart the candle and then touch the table and make little finger paintings with it. So I decided to wipe that up really quick. Here is the current state of our sofa. We had just had a movie night, so all the pillows and all the blankets were just all around, so I wanted to just go ahead and tidy that up. speaking of movie nights, let me know in the comments what your favorite Christmas movie is, because I'm always looking for new ones. I love Christmas. I love Christmas movies, just everything about it. Kennedy is still a little bit too little to sit through a whole movie, but we're getting there. But still, let me know. And you're about to see me totally be a perfectionist with this blanket. I promise. I'm working on trying not to be, but still struggling a little bit. I really hope that you enjoyed this shorter clean with me video. I hope that it gave you all of the instant cleaning motivation that you could possibly need. I usually make longer cleaning videos, so it was really fun to challenge myself to see what I could do in a shorter amount of time. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and also please consider subscribing and turning on your notifications, because it helps small channels like mine grow. And if you need even more cleaning motivation, I have an entire playlist, and I will link that down below, so go ahead and check that out, and make sure that you let me know if you liked this shorter, faster paced cleaning video. I will see you back here in just a couple of days with a brand new video, and until then, have a great night, beauties.
Before we got